कानटा भल लगुच ना स्टार्ट ही गला। ओहो नमस्कार नमस्कार सभी दर्शकों को मेरे चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं आज इस अवतार में क्यों हूँ भला, तो मैं आपको बता दूँ कि आज मेरे दोस्त मेरे साथ कथावार्ता करने आ रहे हैं। कथावार्ता कौन थी नहीं और कौन कौन थी ओह तो मेरे दोस्त आज मेरे साथ Q&A करने आ रहे हैं, मतलब वो जो बातचीत करेंगे। हाय एवरीवन।
हाय स्वाति।
हाय स्वाति।
Hi Swati.
Hi Swati, this is Shruti. Hi Swati, hope you're doing well.
Hi Swati. Hope you're safe and inside your home.
Hi Swati.
हाय स्वाति।
इंग्लिश रे कौन लिखिछ जे हो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the only thing that you have done in this lockdown that you are proud of, which you otherwise could not do since long? ये आंसर कुह रे।
In this lockdown, I have been doing a very great things which I wanted to do always. So initially, I have been watching a lot of documentary movies of my favorite, pending in Netflix for so long, and I have been able to see it due to this huge amount of time what I am getting in my home. I'm baking a very good cake for my mother on her birthday, which I wanted to do since long that also, and this time she was besides me this lockdown. That was a good thing, and the most important thing, making time for the family.
So I'm quite utilizing my time in a good way. Like I love to code, I love to paint, I love to sketch, and also I love to reading some novel. And the way I'm just trying to always utilizing my time. Wake up early in the morning and also doing some yoga to motivate it, to keep myself peace. And also I am much better in cook, though it is a good time so that I can learn some better cooking from the YouTube. So I am also doing the same thing. That's it.
Okay, वैसे तो पहले कभी सोचे नहीं थे कुछ करना है, but during this lockdown time we have done so many dance videos, and we have tried different dance, and we have tried different recipes like cake, dhokla, gulab jamun. Apart from that, I have tried playing keyboard, and I have learned 2 to 3 tunes on that. And we are from the IT background, and we have to work from home, so I don't think we really get that much time to, apart from work, anything else.
Lovely answers from all of my friends here, and I'm proud of you guys too. My answer here would be like my own YouTube channel. So I wanted to open my YouTube channel since 1 year from now, but I was somehow not able to do it. So in this lockdown, I got this opportunity to open this YouTube channel of my own. Second question, what is the first thing you would do after lockdown is over?
When I go home, yeah, because like tomorrow I was supposed to go, but sadly it's not happening. Okay, so I'm gonna go home.
First thing I would do once the lockdown is over, will meet my friends, and along with them I will go some good places.
The first thing I would like to do after this lockdown gets over is I'll go to my home and meet my family, because it has been more than 3 months from now that I am away from them, and I'll eat all my favorite ghar ka khana made by my mom specially, because I'm missing badly right now.
The first thing I want to do when the lockdown is over is go and visit my hometown and meet my family. Jalaguchina. Third question, what is the most difficult challenge you are facing in this lockdown as a girl? Let me repeat that for you. What is the most difficult challenge you are facing in this lockdown as a girl?
So most difficult challenge I'm facing as a girl is managing the time with housework and office work. I'm not sure if many of them are also facing this thing. This is the challenge I'm facing.
The worst thing I felt like the thing is like overrated, yes. And of course I can say personally, like I love to travel, I love to visit new places. So God grace, if everything is going good, this COVID will be go, then my first thing is like I'll be on for my next trip.
ज़्यादा टफ एज अ गर्ल मुझे इस लॉकडाउन में ये फेस हो रहा है कि पहली बात तो ये हर कोई जो डाल रहा है ना अपना स्टोरी में कि घर पे बैठ के पुचका बना लिए, डालगोना कॉफ़ी बना लिए, मोमो बना लिए, तो उन सब से मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे जैसे आलसी इंसान भी है इस दुनिया में जो एक टाइम मैगी खा के भी ज़िंदा रह सकते हैं लेकिन खाना नहीं बनाएंगे, ठीक है। वो तो चैलेंजिंग हो गया। और जब कोई आके पूछता है कि तेरे तो बड़े ही मज़े होंगे, तू तो ये खाना बनाती होगी, तो उनको मैं जवाब देना चाहती हूँ कि नहीं बना रहे। और सेकंड बात ये है कि अगर नवंबर तक ये लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हुआ तो 9 से नवंबर में मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ और लड़का दोस्तों को मैं कंपटीशन बराबरी का दे दूँगी। और थर्ड ये है कि मुझे वो काजोल का यूनिब्रो पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन मेरा बन जाएगा अगर नवंबर तक लॉकडाउन रहा तो।
हसी पड़ी। Hi guys, so I was actually somehow expecting these answers here, but I would say like I'm fortunate enough, I know some of the parlor stuff, so I do my own eyebrows, I do my own waxing and stuff. So if you guys want any videos on the
same, like how to do your own eyebrows, own waxing and own threading, so please comment down below. I will surely make videos on that. And
start है Lapuni. Fourth question. What is the worst habit you have developed in this lockdown? Let me repeat that for you. What is the worst habit that you have developed in this lockdown?
Previously I was sleeping till 9 and nowadays I am sleeping till 10:30. Next, lunch I was doing at 2:30 and due to this lockdown and since I am in home, so I am doing the lunch at 4. Too bad for me, I know. And the most worst thing I think out I have developed in myself, which no one should do, that is I'm getting irritated in every small thing. Since I'm getting maybe a lot of time, so I want to boycott it.
Sleeping at 4 a.m, getting up at 12 p.m.
So the worst habit that I have developed is overeating. I'm eating a lot of stuffs, all the chips and biscuits. And after this lockdown is over, I know I'm going to get fat.
So for this answer, I am actually not proud of any one of you. But you guys are going to scold me if you hear my answer. So my list is actually long, but the worst habit that I have developed is my sleep routine is pathetic now. So there are days when I have to work, like office work is there, so I have to work on weekends also, and I sleep very late. On other days like this, now it is 3 a.m. and I am still shooting. So I don't know guys, like this is very bad for our health and I'm soon going to change this. Ready for a fifth question? Okay. What is the kindest thing you have done for someone else in this lockdown?
Cook for my roommate.
Actually, I've advised a friend for a breakup. He was into a toxic relationship. So उसका ब्रेकअप करा दिया यार मैंने. अब खुश है बंदा, सिंगल लाइफ एंजॉय कर रहा है. और क्या हो सकता है. और रूममेट को खाना रोज़ बना के खिला रही हूँ, काफ़ी है.
So if I talk about the kindest thing, I won't say it is a very great thing that I am doing, but it is the smallest thing that I have started doing. मैं सुबह उठती हूँ तो पहले मैं चिड़ियों के लिए यहाँ पर मेरे खिड़की के पास खाना रखती हूँ और उनको पानी देती हूँ. तो हर दिन 10-12 पिजन्स आते हैं और वो खाना खाते हैं यहाँ पर, और जब भी उनको प्यास लगती है तो पानी पी के जाते हैं. आई हैव सीन दिस माई मॉम डूइंग एवरी डे in my hometown. तो सुबह सुबह वो खाना डालती है and they always like so many types of actually birds come to eat and पानी रखती है मेरी मम्मी, तो गिलहरी लोग भी आते हैं पानी पी के जाते हैं. So these are the smallest thing that as a human being, because हम लोगों को वो सुविधा है कि हम लोग खुद खा के किसी और को भी थोड़ा कुछ दे सकते हैं, तो वी शुड ऑल स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग और द अदर. स्ट्रीट डॉग्स यहाँ पर ज़्यादा नहीं हैं, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग फॉर देम. बट इफ़ आपके घर के पास अगर स्ट्रीट डॉग्स है, कैट्स है, एनीथिंग लाइक एनी एनिमल दैट यू सी अराउंड, आप उनको थोड़ा हर दिन खाना दे सकते हैं एंड दैट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प देम अ लॉट, बिकॉज इन दिस लॉकडाउन आई थिंक दे आर ऑल्सो सफरिंग अ लॉट. Apart from that, guys, also start donating a little bit from your salary towards the PM Care Fund or any other NGO you know. So that is also one of the kindest thing that we can do for others in this lockdown, staying at home. Question, mamu thokki gallini. Oh, sixth question. Can you tell this tongue twister 3 times in a flow fast without stopping? Brittany bought a bit of butter, Brittany bought a butter. Let me repeat that for you. Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bitter butter a better butter. Let me repeat that for you 3 times. Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bitter butter a better butter. Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bitter butter a better butter. Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bitter butter a better butter.
Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought some bitter butter to make the bitter butter butter. Baisa.
Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bitter butter a better butter.
I'm just trying it.
बिटर बटर क्यों ला रहा है ब्रिटनी? चेक नहीं करके ला सकता क्या?
Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the bitter was better.
Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bit of butter a better butter.
Brittany bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought some bitter butter to make the bitter butter better.
Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bitter butter a better butter.
Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany brought a better butter to make the bit of butter a bitter butter.
Brittany bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought some bitter butter to make the bitter butter better.
Brittany bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought a better butter to make the bitter butter a better butter.
Brittany bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany bought some bitter butter to make the bitter butter better. हो गया क्या?
Brittany brought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So Brittany brought a better butter to make a bit of better butter a bitter butter.
ए कौन कहूच मा मत भारी मजा लग. 7th question. How many liter of water are you drinking in a day in this lockdown? Is it more or less than before? Be honest. Let me repeat that for you. How many liters of water are you drinking in a day in this lockdown? Is it more or less than before? Be honest.
How many liters of water? एक दो glass पानी के लिए वही बड़ी बात है. After food only I will drink.
Water, yeah, I drink water regularly. Before lockdown or now, it's the same. Minimum 2 liters per day I drink. There was a time when I had to set an alarm to remind me of drinking water, but now it has become a habit.
Nilati, I think this is the toughest question. Want to do glass in a day?
এই আনসারটা মু দেবি. ए तो मना कर परा हाँ हाँ। तो मैं ये बोल रही थी कि मैं तो बहुत पानी पीती हूँ, मैं इन लोगों का नहीं जानती, मैं बहुत पानी पीती हूँ। तो कल रात को मैंने पानी रखा था हाँ, और खाली ही गला। वो बोल रही है खाली हो। सुषमा मैंने तुझे बोला था पानी कल सुबह रखने के लिए, अभी रात हो गया, अभी तक मैंने पानी नहीं पिया है। हाँ, इज दिस जोक? आर यू डूइंग एम आई जोक? हाँ हाँ। सो प्लीज़ फ्रेंड्स पानी पीजिए, ये सबसे छोटा चीज़ है जो आप लॉकडाउन में अपने लिए कर सकते हैं। यू डूइंग ओह कयार थिला 8th क्वेश्चन, आर यू डूइंग एनी एक्सरसाइज और योगा टू स्टे फिट? डोंट लाई। If you don't, and if yes, what and how long? Okay, let me repeat that for you. Are you doing any exercise or yoga to stay fit? Don't lie if you don't, and if yes, what and for how long?
Oh hell yeah. It's a good time because I just started working out since this Monday. So yeah, I'm working out.
I don't know how to say. I don't exercise at all. I exercise मैं सिर्फ अपने ख्यालों में ही कर लेती हूँ आई थिंक, बिकॉज एक्सरसाइज और मेरा दूर दूर तक कभी कोई रिश्ता रहा ही नहीं। I don't exercise. I always keep promising myself that from tomorrow onwards I'll exercise, I'll do all possible things to remain fit, I'll do yoga, I'll go for a walk, etc. etc. But that tomorrow never came. Because in reality I must say I'm a bit busy person, so yeah, I had to be honest. So the truth is I don't exercise, and for that I keep repeating.
प्लान तो था एक्सरसाइज करने का इस लॉकडाउन में, बट सिर्फ 4 दिन ही कर पाई, उसके बाद नहीं हो रहा।
I will answer है। मैंने देखा मेरे दोस्त लोग फिट नहीं रहना चाहते। They want to do yoga, they want to do exercise. See me, only my peto means my stomach is coming out because I eat, but I do exercise. I do yoga in a month.
So guys, I know like we guys are not getting time, or like even if few of us are getting time, we are becoming a little lazy and we are binging for good food because we are not able to go outside. That is all fine, but it's high time guys, because it's been long that we are in lockdown. So please start doing some kind of exercise to stay fit, and also keep an eye on what you are eating. If one day you are eating something heavy, try to eat try to balance out that in the next meal or the next day. So we all have to stay fit at the end of the day. So yeah, it is an advice which I have started following, so I would request all of you guys to start following the same. Okay, the लास्ट क्वेश्चन ए सॉरी जीवन कौन मो मत कांद लगे हो। हाउ डू यू प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड? अर्थ ये हेनी मो द्वारा, तमें मैंने ही कह।
It's Worcestershire.
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 Isthmus.
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 Isthmus. What does that mean?
Otorhino. I'm getting reminded of rhinoceros by the way.
Oh, the last one I can do. Otorhinolaryngologist.
It's otorhinolaryngologist.
Otorhinolaryngologist. ऐसे वर्ड्स भी हैं?
Otolaryngologist.
Otorhinolaryngologist. I don't know whatever that means, but I did it.
So thank you so much you guys for watching this video, and thank you so much my lovely friends. Thank you for taking out some time and making this video possible. I am just in love with you guys, and I always love you guys. So
If you like this video,
Like the video,
Share.
subscribe.
if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel, as my friends have already said. And please comment down below if you don't like anything, and also tell me if what was the best part which you liked here. And guys, I'm sorry for those viewers who were waiting for my next travel vlog. I will surely be doing that very soon, but because this is lockdown, and even if I give you this travel videos, you guys cannot travel as of now. So I thought, let me try and make something entertaining, and let me see if you guys are enjoying the same. So this was a small trial in my second video. So again, I would like all of you guys support, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. Bye bye. Bye bye. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଏ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ।